Today we're driving the brand new Volvo VNR Electric Truck. You don't hear any noise because it's powered by electric. It's amazing how quiet it is and how comfortable the drive is in this brand new Volvo. You're going to love it. It is absolutely amazing. I'm impressed. It turns on a dime and it runs as quietly as you can possibly imagine. There's no noise whatsoever, yet it has incredible torque and power. So I think this is a game changer. It's very well refined and people are going to love this truck.